I'm really excited to talk about zone cleaning. I've talked about it for years. I did not come up with this. I actually learned from the FlyLady, and the website is flylady.net, and I'll have that down below for you. I learned about the FlyLady system back in 2007 when I had postpartum depression. It helped pull me out. It helped me get back on top of my house, create routines. Let's talk about what zone cleaning is. So I like to look at it as I am spring cleaning my home every week of the month, all year long. Ew! I hate spring cleaning. I do not like thinking in April or May or even March, I need to dedicate like a full day or a weekend or a week deep cleaning and spring cleaning my home. I avoid it. It makes me want to run. I don't think this is what she designed, the FlyLady designed this for, but this is how I see it, because I don't have to do a huge spring cleaning come that time of year, because I'm doing little things in my home each week that take away the thought of spring cleaning. So I kind of look at it that way. Or it is a system to help you declutter your home to be able to get going and keep it clean and up to task every week or every day. So you could look at it two ways depending on where you're at in your cleaning, decluttering journey, wherever you are in your home. She has this quote that says, "Don't feel like you have to catch up, just start where you are." So please take a deep breath before we hop into this, because I don't want this to spike your anxiety, okay? You're gonna jump in wherever you are in the part of the month in zone cleaning and move forward, okay? So if I didn't do my zone cleaning last week, I'm not going to be like, okay, I need to get it in this week. Nope, because guess what? That week of the month is going to come up next month too. So relax. You're going to divide your home into 5 areas, 5 different zones. This was designed to be able to portion it out in a month. So here are what the 5 zones entail. Zone 1, the entrance, the front porch, and the dining room. So I was thinking, why in the world is the dining room in this zone? Then I realized, like, the colonial homes back east, down south, they have a separate dining room, and it's kind of in that general area of the home, by the entrance, by the front porch. I could see how she divided that to have it as zone 1. But for me and my home, I took it out a long time ago. When I first started this system, I'm like, my dining room is my kitchen table, literally in my kitchen. I am not going to make that part of zone 1. So as I keep going, see how you can alter this to fit you, okay? So zone 1 is the first few days of the end of the month until Sunday. Zone 2 is the kitchen, and this is the first full week of the month. Zone 3 is the main bathroom, not the master bathroom, but the main bathroom in the home and 1 extra room. And we'll talk about more of the extra room in just a minute. And this is the second full week of the month. Zone 4 is the master bedroom, master bathroom, and master closet. And this is the third full week of the month. And zone 5 is the family room. And this is the last few days of the month until Monday. Now you're probably thinking, I have a lot more areas, a lot of other rooms. This is just helping you hit the 5 main areas of any home. Now you could put all those other rooms as that extra room in zone 3. So as you can see, each week of the month we are in a different zone, and each month we repeat the zones. So if you miss something, don't worry, it's coming up next month. So with this system, in a few months your home will look amazing. You'll have less clutter, it'll be more organized. Wherever it is in the stage of your home right now, it's going to be better, it's going to be great, and you have made your home pop. So let's say you're starting out in this whole journey of zones or decluttering and things are not going well. Things are pretty chaotic right now. Then you're going to spend whatever week you are in the month right now in that zone decluttering. And that way, when everything is in order, you could go in and get things done, wipe things down, dust things easily, pick up things easily. So if you're starting off in chaos, you're going to spend your time in those zones decluttering. So clear out the things that you don't use and you don't love. I don't know if I made these or I got them from the FlyLady, but I have a feeling I just took her lists and made my own lists and printed them out. So if you go to her website, you're gonna find all of this. So my biggest tip to you is get it down on paper, so you don't always have to get on your phone or computer to jump on the website. Get it jotted down. Look at the lists, create a list, make it work for you. Some of these things you won't have to do because you don't have those things. So tailor it to you. What do you do in these zones? Pick 4 things. All right, so for zone 1, clean cobwebs, dust front door, clean switch plate or handprints and walls if needed. Put plants in the shower and give them a good rinse. Let them sit until you are finished. Dust furniture, dust baseboards, straighten the coat closet, sweep, vacuum, or mop the floor. Put back the plants. Add your own personal touches to make it more welcoming. For the front porch, you can sweep down cobwebs and spider webs, sweep off porch furniture, sweep the porch, throw away any dead plants, repot planters if necessary, wipe off tables, banisters, and light fixtures, get rid of unwanted items, and add your own personal touches. So for the dining room, you can clean the cobwebs, dust, clean and straighten drawers, clean off top of dining room table and polish, dust the bottoms of the chairs, dust the baseboards, move furniture and vacuum underneath. Zone 2 is the kitchen. For the kitchen, empty out refrigerator and clean thoroughly, clean microwave inside and out, clean stove, clean oven, wash canisters and knickknacks, straighten drawers and cupboards, wipe fingerprints off walls, wash inside windows, clean off any lower hanging light fixtures, clean fan, vent hood, filters and hood, scrub down cabinet fronts, clean under sink and throw away old rags, and clean your pet dishes. Zone 3 is the bathroom and 1 extra room. So for the bathroom, you can wash area rugs, scrub floor, straighten drawers and cabinets, clean shower stall, clean medicine cabinet, throw away empty bottles. There's so many possibilities. See where you can make things pop. So what could that extra room be? That could be the laundry room. That could be the garage. That could be a bonus room above your garage. If you have an office, if you have a sewing room or craft room, if you have a storage room. Zone 4, master bedroom. Clean furniture, clean off surfaces, clean cobwebs, wash mattress pad, empty trash, wash window, maybe declutter some books from your bookcase, straighten drawers, clean under the bed. And let me suggest to you also, maybe you go in your end table drawers, straighten things up, declutter some things out, because we end up throwing things in there anyway. If you have a vanity, wipe down your vanity, maybe clean and dust inside your vanity drawers where all your makeup is, wipe that down. So again, take a look at your room and see how, and add what you can into there to keep on top of it. Okay, zone 5 is the family room. Clean cobwebs, clean windows, straighten bookcases, wash ornaments and knickknacks, clean out end table, straighten closets and drawers, wipe fingerprints from walls, clean furniture, clean out magazine racks, clean under cushions, move furniture and vacuum. If you need to shampoo your carpet, do so. So there are some rules. The FlyLady rules are: do not pull out what you can't put back or get done in an hour. Clean 1 drawer or 1 pile at a time. Be consistent. Do something little every day. The clutter, the mess did not create itself in a day, and you won't be able to get it done in a day either. Set your timer for 15 minutes. If you're past that point and you could jump right into your zone cleaning, you could take an hour out of your day to do zone cleaning. She says try not to tackle all this in a day. I get that. Completely get that. But with my schedule, I put it all in one day. Okay, so I work from home, and then I have my morning routine, my night routine, my weekly home blessing, all that's down below for you. And now, besides working from home, I've taken on the duty of homeschooling our youngest child. So now I have that as part of my day. But I do try to get everything done in one day, because I don't want to be constantly going, oh, I have to do my zone cleaning today, my 15 minutes. Oh, but I have all this going on and all this going on. So if you work outside the home, maybe on Saturdays or a Sunday, you decide, I'm going to take an hour and crank out my zone cleaning. If that's easier for you, go for it. If not, do what she says and just do 15 minutes a day. If you end up doing 4 tasks, that is an hour. This is a guide, Do what you need to do for you. The whole point is to make an area in your home pop. Anywhere you could do progress, you're doing awesome. If you end up really just diving in and not paying attention to the time and you've got other things going, set a timer. Timers are awesome. They motivate our kids and they definitely motivate me. So use a timer. Once your home is decluttered, this system will be a breeze. So friends, I would like to know from you. Take the poll or leave in the comments down below. Would you like to see a video once a week sharing with you what I have done in that zone? So I decided years ago I was going to take the FlyLady zone cleaning method and make one for my children for their chores. If you like to see videos on that, I'll leave those all down below. That is zone cleaning. That is how you're going to make your home pop every week. Okay? It's baby steps. It's progress. Please don't make this overwhelming or overthink it. So for today, as you're watching this video, what zone are we in this week? Find one thing that you could do today, take 15 minutes and crank it out. Well friends, I hope this excited you, motivated you to declutter and organize and keep your home tidy. This has been a great system. I haven't strayed from it. So yeah, do I do it perfectly every week? No. Not at all. So this week is zone 3 and I'm concentrating on the master bedroom. I don't have to do a master bathroom because I don't have a master bathroom. We only have one main bathroom. So I'm concentrating on the bedroom and the closet. So I'm actually going to be decluttering my closet because I have an appointment next week to drop off a ton of donations at a DI. It's called Deseret Industries. It's like a Goodwill. So I'm glad that we're in zone 3 because I want to donate some things. If you're noticing that you have way too many clothes in zone 3, you guys, declutter. This will make keeping your home tidy and clean so much easier, less anxiety. So if you have a lot of clothes that you're doing laundry or noticing in piles, time to say bye-bye to some of them. Let me know how it goes for you in the comments. And if you zone clean, what do you do? How do you change things up? What do you do to help motivate you to do it? All that fun stuff, please leave down below for us. So let's make major progress in our homes this year. Hop in where you are and just keep moving forward. Let's make our homes pop. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me and we'll see you soon. Bye. I was just thinking, if you guys drink, you might want to make this video a drinking game if you're watching it at night. How many times I say zones? Just saying. Yikes. Yeah. Make sure the kids are asleep. Have a good time.